क्या कर रहे हो? सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दो प्लीज और घंटा भी दबा दो. ओके बाय.
This is the picture we are going to edit. Open it in PRASAD and click on the effects option, then click on the colors and select the black and white, then adjust and click the arrow option and click on the save into the gallery, then download Pixel app and click on that delete option, click OK, then click on that pentagon option and scroll and select transparent, then click on image size and select YouTube channel banner, click OK, then click on the plus icon and select from gallery, then select the picture we have edited in PixArt, then click on that again pentagon option and click relative size, increase it up to 100, then click OK. After that select that erase color and enable it, extend that up to 70 and click OK, then click on the save option and save as a image, so save to the gallery, and that's it, your image is saved in the gallery. After that open YouTube, then type fire green screen. Okay, then select that 11-second video, scroll up. Oh, this is one 11-second video, then click the 3 dot option and share it and download in Videoder or Vidmate, whichever you can download the video, then click on 1080p full HD, click on the start download and the video is start downloading, then open your kinemaster to edit your video like that. Okay, so click on the plus icon, then after that click on the media option and select the black background, then extend the black background up to 30 seconds because that will be the status. Click on the layer and click the media option and then select that video which we have downloaded in the Videoder app. That is very good app to download all those YouTube videos. Then little bit extend that. Okay, click on the layer option, then click on the media and click on the Pixel Lab, select that picture which we have edited in the Pixel Lab, click that option and enable full screen. Extend the picture, then click on that video, then select chroma key, enable it and adjust the chroma key, then rotate that video and we are gonna stretch the video, and that's it. I think the video is done. Okay, little bit more extension and the video is done. So I think the video is right now, it's done. Okay, then click on that share option right in the left side Then select which quality do you want to export your video. Then click on the export option, and that's it. Please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for new updates from this channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.